Did you hear those sounds in Nighty Night, boys and girls? I used the xylophone. For me, some of the sounds in my environment wake me up in the morning. Now, sometimes it's my alarm clock. But sometimes it's because people are cooking in the kitchen. And sometimes it's because people are cleaning. So my instruments this week, the first one is a frying pan. You can hear in the wake up section a sound of. My second instrument, it is a rattle that is made out of clay and sounds like this. The third instrument from my song, it is called an oudou. This instrument is shaped like a flower vase or a pot. And the word oudou is a word that means pot. This African instrument, which comes from the country of Nigeria, is played like a drum. You can play it on the top, or you can play it on the side, on the hole, or you can play it on the side over here. Please listen again to the sounds during the wake up section in Nighty Night and see if you can figure out what other sounds are there. And don't forget, boys and girls, show your family the activity of going to sleep during the Nighty Night section and then the waking up during the wake up section.
And sing. Nighty night, it's time for bed. Nighty night, nighty night. Nighty night, it's time for bed. Nighty night. Wake up! Wake up! Ba 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 ba!